this website, and it's perfect. Seriously, what the else do you want? You probably build websites and think your shit is special. You think your 13 megabyte parallaxative homepage is going to get some award banner you can glue to the top corner of your site. And you think your 40-pound jQuery file and the 83 polyfills give IE7 a boner because it finally has box shadow. Wrong!
Costco, I love you.
Is this written by Samuel? Wrong, motherfucker. Let me describe your perfect ass website. Shit's lightweight and loads fast. Fits on your, fits on all your shitty screens. Looks the same in all your shitty browsers. The motherfucker is accessible to every asshole that visits your site. Shit's legible and gets your fucking point across. If you add one instead of just 5 megabyte pics of hipsters drinking coffee, you know what? I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is award material right here. Well, guess what, motherfucker? You are over designing. Look at this shit. It's a motherfucking website. Why the do you need to animate a trendy ass banner flag when I hover over that useless piece of shit? You spent hours on it and add 80 kilobytes to your fucking website, and some motherfucker jabbing at it on their iPad with fat sausage fingers will never see that shit. This is just Samuel, dude. I didn't realize Samuel was in was inside design theory. This guy knows it, dude. Them sausage fingers, them banana fingers ain't touching nothing. Not to mention, blind people will never see that shit, but they don't see any of your shitty shit. You never knew it, but this is your perfect website. Here's why. It's dude, I feel like I can't keep cursing this much. It's making me uncomfortable. It's fucking lightweight. This entire page weighs less than the gradient mesh Facebook logo on your fucking WordPress site. Did you seriously load 100 kilobytes of jQuery UI just so you could animate the fucking background color of a div? You loaded all 7 font faces of a shitty web font just so you could say hi at 100 pixels height at the beginning of your site? You piece of shit. Oh, this is brutal. Oh, man, React in shambles right now. It's responsive. You dumbass. You thought you needed media queries to be responsive, but no. Responsive means that it responds to whatever the motherfucking screen size it's viewed on. The site doesn't care if you're on an iMac or a motherfucking Tamagotchi. He's actually right. This could literally work on a Tamagotchi. It fucking works. Look at this shit. You can read it. I'm literally reading it right now. That is, if you can read the, if you can read motherfucker. Oh my goodness. What is this? It makes sense. It has motherfucking hierarchy. It's using HTML5 tags so you and your bitch ass browser know what the fuck's in this fucking site. It's semantics, motherfucker. What is this? It has content on the fucking screen. Your site has 3 bylines and a link to your Dribbble account, but you spread it over 7 full screens and make me click some Bobby button to show me how cool the jQuery Scroll To plugin is. Cross-browser compatibility? Load this motherfucker to IE6. I fucking dare you. It's semantics. This is a website. Look at it. You've never seen one before. Like a man who's never grown out his beard has no idea what his true natural state is. You have no fucking idea what a website is. All you've ever seen is shitty, skeuomorphic bastardizations of what should be text communication, a fucking message. This is a real naked website. Look at it. It's fucking beautiful. This guy, dude, he's starting to remind me of like ICP. He's fucking beautiful. Yes, this shit is fucking satire, you fuck. My goodness, I can't stand cursing this much. I'm not actually saying your shitty site should look like this. What I'm saying is that all the problems we have with websites are ones created ourselves. Websites aren't broken by default. They are functional, high-performing, and accessible. You break them, you son of a bitch. Good design is a little design. Let's see, is as little design as possible. Some German motherfucker. Epilogue. From the philosophies expressed poorly above, Tixty was created. You should try it today to make your own motherfucking website. Samuel L. Jackson, everybody. Samuel L. Jackson, thank you very much for this. There is a really amazing grain of truth in all of this, which is the problems we've created on web are truly problems we've created ourselves. Every single time. See, the strangest thing about the web in general is that in yesteryears, when technology or something was a problem, typically we made something different, right? Tried something new about it. The web, on the other hand, it's like, okay, this is a problem. So what if we take it and we add more to it? And then a new problem happens. Okay, what happens if we add more to it? I personally believe this is why we have achieved React Server Components. It is a series of what if we add more to it all the way through. All the way. 100%. Personal opinion. It's a very interesting it's just very interesting. JavaScript. I love it. Well, the problem is I've been using what's it called? I've been using Firefox for a little bit. It's horrible. Look at those P's and H3s and all that. Yes, I know. Want to fight about it? This is good. I don't know if you caught that. Oh, I can't zoom in? How do I zoom in? Are you really serious? You're not going to let me zoom in? Are you serial? Are you serial? Either way, this is beautiful. Console, debugger. Where's the sources in this stuff? How do you even use Firefox? Oh, this is why you view source instead of dev tools. Yeah. Dude, I never use Firefox and I hate it. Where's view source? Is view source on here? View selected source. It's literally just a p tag. Thank you. Dude, I hate you, Firefox, so effing much. Okay? I hate you so much. Here's my non-plugin. Here's my non-plugin version sources. All right. I just ignore Firefox. Analytics, really? You put analytics on it? Goes and does that and puts analytics on there? That's what's happening? You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. How dare you do this? I wish I could do a great Samuel L. Jackson impersonation. I feel like I could almost do it, but I can't. You know, like, have you ever heard, this MF is MF himself? Yeah, exposed fraud. Dude, if only there was React loaded. Honestly, that would have been the funniest of them all, is if React, Angular, and Vue was all loaded, just never used. It would have been so dang good. Oh, he left a little comment? What is the comment? Oh, yeah, I know. He says, yeah, you want to fight me about it? Yeah. I mean, he is calling himself out about it. I mean, he knows. You can do a Bill Burr, though. No, that's just my natural voice. You mad? All right, the name is the motherfucking Jen.